everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. So today we're going to go outside and we are going to be planting my pepper plants. I've got a couple little plants that need to go into grow bags, and I wanted to bring y'all along with me. So we're going to try this. If it gets noisy out there, forgive me. I do live in an apartment complex, so there may be kids and everything running around. They're not my kids, so I can't control that. But anyway, come along with me outside. I'll get set up and let's get some plants planted in my grow bags. I'm really excited. All right, be right back. Okay, that's good. All right, that works. Okay, so this is what I've got, guys. I'm trying not to be too loud and obnoxious out here. I've got these these are my grow bags. These are 7-gallon grow bags, and that's what I'm going to start with. If I have to get bigger grow bags, I will. So I have raised bed potting soil. You're probably gonna have to help me. This is just I'll sweep up my mess once I get done here, but this is what I used last year, and I had pretty good success with it. So I'll probably go back and pick up another. I'll have to go pick up another bag of it because I have a lot of plants to plant. I will probably. This is what I'm gonna put the banana peppers in. Okay, you're gonna have to help. And it would help if I stood up and did this, but I'm trying to. Try not to give too much of a cleavage shot here. My Marco friends will probably be giving me a hard time about that one. I'm not getting these entirely full because I will probably add more as my plants get bigger. Okay, that's good. I'll just set it right here. Okay, so I am just making a little indention here. What I am putting in this one is my sweet banana plant. And I may put some more banana plants in here with this. And then I'm going to go ahead and put a cage on it while it's little. And then I'm going to put it out front so it can start getting some sun. It is absolute, guys, it is absolutely gorgeous here in Southeast Texas. And I could be wrong. Mother Nature may fool me. But I think we're done with winter. So and like I said, as my plant gets bigger, I'll add more soil to this, but I wanted to leave room to add more as my plant gets bigger. So This is the banana plant. This is the one that I bought from the grocery store. And I've got some seeded, but I wanted to have a plant that was a little bit further along than my seedlings since I had to restart my seeds. So that's this one. Now I've got my YOLO Wonder bell pepper plant that I'm going to start. So I'm going to move this one over. We're going to move this up front and put it in my little fake patio. I'm kind of putting everything that I can in there for now. Some of that will eventually come out, but just to kind of protect my plants a little bit from kids and dogs and that kind of stuff. We'll put everything in there, and then I'll water everything down good. So if you're wondering, well, why isn't she watering it? That's why, because I want to get it in place before we put a lot of water and that kind of stuff on it. So, all right, you'll help me move that one, then we'll get the next one going. Just sit right there right now, and then we'll take them both over there. Okay, and then I'll show you my other little seedlings that we planted the other day. I'm really excited. All right, one more. And I need to water my little jalapeno over here. Shayla, from making lemonade from lemons, was telling me the other day that if you want a jalapeno that is not overly spicy, that if you would water them very frequently, that it keeps them from getting really spicy. I didn't know that. I'm learning so much from her. She container gardens as well. So if you don't follow Shayla, go check her out. She is She is the master of container gardening and grow bag gardening. So I'm learning so much from her. And this is really my first big year to attempt container gardening. So go check out Shayla at Making Lemonade from Lemons. Not to mention, her boys are just extra and I adore them. Okay. Get those in. I'm not going to put a cage on this one yet. It's really not quite big enough to even worry about a cage, so I'll just wait to cage this little plant. So I'm going to show you real quick my little seedlings. Now, you may think they're looking a little weepy. They are. I need to water them. Don't fall over cage. They need some water. So they've been out here, but they're doing good. This is also a banana plant. These are all tomatoes, except I've got some mint over here that needs some water. So I'm going to go grab water here in a minute and water everything down good. My other seedlings, grab those real quick. Can you help me move that real quick? I don't know if y'all can see it down here. I need to bring it out and set it up here. Oh. Is really starting to, these are, my zinnias are doing really good. I'm really excited. I've got some stuff coming up over here that's doing really good. I've got banana peppers trying to come up over here. I got peppers are coming up. Yeah, I need to water everything really good. So I'm gonna go in the house and get my water and water everything down good. But so far, that's the garden update, guys. Thanks. Hey everybody, so this is part 2 of my garden update video, and I wanted to bring y'all along for just a second and show you. The first part of this video was about 2 weeks ago, and since then COVID-19 happened. And so sorry, that video kept getting kind of pushed back. And so today I have a couple things I wanted to talk about, and I wanted to show y'all where the garden's at. Oh my, I have something really special growing in my little garden that I wanted to show you. So I'm going to try to turn you around. I may have to stop my camera and start it back up. Last time I tried to just do this, it didn't work. So let me try it. Remember that little tomato plant that we started? Look how big it's gotten. And look, I've got baby tomatoes. That is the banana pepper plant, I think. Yeah, that's the bell pepper plant. This is my sunflower. Okay, now I'm going to take you outside and show you the start, so hold on. This is my jalapeno pepper plant. It's fixing to go out front with the other guys on my little patio. These are the seedlings that we started. These were fixing to get up potted. I've potted some of the flowers into that other plant. These are fixing to get up potted. This is another banana pepper. These need to be watered. They're looking a little droopy, but I'm fixing to up pot them because they're ready to be up potted. But I got one other thing that I want to talk to you guys about, so hold on just a sec. Okay, so the last thing I wanted to talk to you guys about, starting today, and I'm trying desperately to get this video finished and edited and out to you guys so I can tell you about, starting today, Monday, at 1:30 Central Standard Time, I am going to come on live for about 30 minutes. That's the goal. I'm going to do like a small scripture reading. I don't read much, as some of you may know. I'm dyslexic. But I have a really large print Bible that I don't know if a lot of you know a lot about dyslexia, but it's not like an intelligent thing. It's more of a visual thing. So I can't read like long scriptures, but I can read small scriptures. But I work for a church. I'm on administrative staff, and I just feel like we are in a scary time. And if you're like me, we had to live stream completely with no congregation, live stream our service Sunday. And setting up in the loft and doing that, it was sad. I mean, it was good. We had over 1,000 people watching in our little bitty. Usually we have about 150 people. So I thought, maybe people are feeling like I do. So I just want to maybe read a little verse and then open it up. And I would just like, if anybody wants to come in, it's a come and go type thing. And if you have a prayer request or just would like me to pray for you, I probably won't. I'm not as good as maybe as Jess is over at Roots of Refuge or whatever, but I would just like to pray, and we'll pray together. And just sit down. I'm not so much scared of this virus as I am of the uncertainty of what is going to happen. But I feel like God's going to use this. And I know I haven't talked a lot about my faith and, but I'm not doing this to grow my channel or anything other than just a landing pad for people like myself who just want a soft place to slow down for 30 minutes and just say, all right, God, what are you doing here? Because, we need you right now. And so if you'd like to join me, I'm going to do this on Mondays at 1:30 Central Standard Time. You can watch it on the replay. Like I said, just a kind of a short Bible verse, and then and I'm open to suggestion if there's something you would like me to read, you can email it to me. I'll insert my email address here. Send it to me on Facebook, whatever you want to do. And if you have a particular prayer request you'd like for me to pray for you in private, I would be more than happy to do that as well. Anyway, finishing this video up, getting so I can get it out there. But I love you guys, and I'm praying for you, and we'll get through this together. Stay home. If you don't have to get out, guys, don't get out. I know that's hard. We're not getting out. We are staying home as much as we can. For my introvert husband, he's been practicing for this for his whole life. For me, he's laughing over there. For me, that's very difficult. I am very extroverted. As Shayla from Making Lemonade Out of Lemons says, extra. Yes, I am extra. And so it's difficult for me. I'm already getting cabin fever. And I have been getting out, going to the church and back. I don't go anywhere else, but it's still difficult for me. I have my patio door open just so I don't get claustrophobic. It's difficult. Y'all are my access to the world and my Marco friends, so I'm already getting stir crazy. So if they lock Texas down, I don't know what I'm going to do. So come pray with me if and it's open. Oh, let me add this too real quick. You do not have to be Christian to come in. I have Jewish friends. I have pagan friends. I am not so close off that everyone is welcome, is what I'm trying to say. This is an open invitation. Everyone is welcome at Mama Z's table. Okay? We are all in this together. So, God bless. Come join me. And like I said, it's an open invitation. I hope to see you there.
In the great outdoors, forever.